How to make Edge fast and fix slow problem in Windows 10. How to fix Edge is running extremely slowly on Windows 10. Microsoft Edge is a web browser developed by Microsoft for its Windows 10, replacing the earlier and older Internet Explorer. But even though it's a new web browser and as its one advancement in cyber world, there are many glitches that Edge has. Its performance has been under a lot of criticism recently. And many people across the globe have complained about its poor performance, less user-friendliness, poor graphics, broken tab system and a hidden URL bar. And one other problem apart from the above mentioned that people are finding really difficult to deal with is the extremely slow running of Edge. But you need not to worry. You just need to follow a few steps and you shall be done with this problem. Here are the steps to follow to fix the Edge is running extremely slowly problem in Windows 10. This is the first undeniable step to take on while fixing your problem with Edge. 2. Click on the three dots that you find in the right upper corner of the browser. 3. In the menu that so drop down, click on Settings. 4. In the menu that so appears at the right hand side, choose what to clear. 5. After this, tick on Cached Data Files and Browsing History, and lastly click on Clear button. Many tech-savvy and cyber geniuses recommend that resetting host files profoundly catapults the speed of Edge. And hence doing this is one last final step to fix the problem of slow running of Microsoft Edge. #Copyright 1993 to 2009 Microsoft Corp. #. This is a sample host file used by Microsoft TCP for Windows. This file contains the mappings of IP addresses to host names. Each hash entry should be kept on an individual line. The IP address should be placed in the first column followed by the corresponding host name. The IP address and the host name should be separated by at least one hash space. Additionally, comments may be inserted on individual hash lines or following the machine name denoted by a hash symbol. For example, #102.54.94.97 rhino.acme.com #source server #38.25.63.10x.acme.com #x client host #localhost name resolution is handled within DNS itself. #127.0.0.1 localhost #.1 localhost note. Before doing this, please take the backup of the old host's file summary in your PC. Uninstall unwanted extensions if any and reset your Edge browser. It's the best way to give a fresh life to your browser. First, paste the following path in your Explorer and delete everything inside the folder. Now open Windows PowerShell. And then copy and paste the following code given below in PowerShell and hit Enter. If the process has completed successfully, you will see a message like this. If even after following these steps, Edge runs too slowly, then you need to check if your network is working correctly or not.